And today we are standing in front of a French SUV which is Renault Duster. So this is 2017 model. So now let's quickly start with the engine and open the engine. So this is 1.5 liters diesel engine, 4 cylinders, and company has claimed 19 average with 50 liter of fuel tank. Engine is really very big. Let's close it. So let's move to the headlamps. So these are stylish looking normal halogen bulbs, and you do get fog lamps in the top end variant. We have a stylish looking chrome finish grille which is really very big and looks fabulous. We also have a very big logo of Renault in between. Same at the right side. So these are 16 inches alloy wheels with black finisher and Renault logo in between. This is the badging of RXZ top end model. So these are ORVMs with turn indicators which are electrically adjustable and foldable. You do get 2 wipers here and antenna for radio. These are the roof rails, dual color roof rails with the Duster badging here given. We have the handle which is actually not of chrome finish, but this is aftermarket, but this really looks very nice. So now let's talk about the dimensions of the car. So the length is 4360 mm, breadth is 1822 mm, height is 1695 mm, and ground clearance is 205 mm. So now let's move at the back profile of the car. So at the back we have these tail lamps. These tail lamps really look very nice, and the company has given the name as water flowing tail lamps, which look like water flowing, which are really very nice. And we have a badging of Renault here, badging of Duster, and DCI EZR. EZR means automatic transmission. We also have 3 sensors at the rear, and at the top wiper with washer and high mount stop lamp here. Now let's open the boot. We have reverse parking camera here. So this is 475 liters of boot space, and under this we have tool kit, and beneath the car there is a spare wheel and exhaust tailpipe here, very big exhaust tailpipe. So this is a parcel tray which we can actually fold and also can extend it, and we can also fold the seats. I will show you. By pulling this lever we can fold the seats like this. So we have a lot of space now. We also have a grab handle for closing the boot like this. So now let's talk about the safety features. So we have ABS, EBD, 2 front airbags, steering mounted controls, reverse parking camera, reverse parking sensors, 3 sensors, and hill start assist. So now let's move quickly inside the car. So now we are inside the car. So we have this steering wheel with a Renault logo in between. These are the buttons of cruise control here. These are control of power windows, 4 power windows, and the driver side window is auto down. Controls of ORVMs, foldable ORVMs. we have AC vents here with a chrome touch-up, chrome, which looks very nice. We have chrome touch-up for all the AC vents. We can control the radius of the lights from here. These are the paddles. The lever for opening bonnet, and this is the lever for opening fuel lid. So these are the steering mounted controls for audio source, and this is the button for indicators and lights, and this is for rear wipers and front wipers. So now let's start MID. Let's start the car. So this is the instrument cluster, which will show many safety lights, for example door open, handbrake, and many warnings. At the left side we have RPM meter. In the middle we have speedometer, and the right, this is a MID, multi information display, which will show gear shift indicator, fuel economy, and many other things. This will also show the fuel level in the car digitally. So now let's move at the center console. So we have a space given here, some space, 2 AC vents. These are the button for hazard lights. For this is the button for central locking, and we have this touchscreen infotainment, which will support radio, media, Bluetooth, aux, and many other things. Navigation, map. These are settings. Let's go in settings. So audio settings, display. We have 2 themes, light and dark. Bluetooth settings, smartphone connectivity, language, clock units, system version, and many other things. This will also show the controls of AC, like this. So below we have this button for cruise control, and below the cruise control we have automatic climate control. This is the button for automatic, and below this we have eco mode here, button for economy, which will show here economy on or off. We do have a 12-volt socket here and 2 cup holders here, and this is 6-speed automatic transmission, which we can also drive in manual by shifting the gear shift in left. Then we can drive this in manual. Let's see the reverse parking camera. Just a second, let's start the car. Now let's see reverse parking camera. So display of reverse parking camera here, and we have some space given here, and a handbrake with chrome tip. We also have an armrest here, and a glove box with light, and which is very spacious. We also have some space here and badging of duster. We have 4 speakers in the car, and IRVM. This is manually adjustable, and one reading light given here, and vanity mirror on sun visor at the passenger side. We don't have the vanity mirror at driver side, but we have a CD holder here. So now let's move at the back side of the car. Back we have chrome handle here and fabric finish. We can adjust the height of the seat belt from here, and one grab handle. We also have 2 reading lights at back side, one here and one at this side. We have a cup holder here and armrest with 2 cup holders, and we do have a charging socket at the rear, 12-volt charging socket, and there are two adjustable headrests. So we have a map pockets behind the seat. So now let's close the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.